A rustic farmhouse backyard garden design is more than simply a garden. It's a haven where people can relax, connect, and take in the beauty of nature. Imagine a sitting area so attractive you won't want to leave. Flowers in full bloom and leafy trees providing shade. We're going to explore the top ideas for designing your ideal rustic farmhouse sitting area and garden today. Let's get to work creating. The foundation of any dream backyard lies in its layout. Thoughtful zoning transforms your space into a functional and aesthetic masterpiece. Think of a central sitting area surrounded by garden beds and pathways that flow naturally, inviting you to explore every corner. Tall, leafy trees not only provide natural shade, but also create a sense of grandeur. Beneath them, a circular stone patio becomes the perfect gathering spot for family and friends. Layering green or tall trees, shrubs, and flowers creates a visual journey, making your backyard feel like an expansive paradise. Feature trees like a Japanese maple add structure and depth to your garden, while surrounding them with wildflowers brings vibrant energy to the space. Every component works together to create an environment that is exclusively yours, from colorful gardens to comfortable resting areas. For more motivational stuff like this video, and subscribe to *Farmhouse Bliss* if you like these suggestions. Together, let's realize your ideal backyard.